What about the double slit experiment?
That experiment is widely misunderstood.
You ever seen a nobody correct a famous astrophysicist? Well, you're about to.
This whole idea is the observer effect, where if you're not looking at it, you get one result, but if you look at it, you get another result, as though your consciousness is affecting the experiment. And consciousness right now is not a fully understood construct.
What he means to say is that consciousness is completely unaccounted for under his worldview. It might as well be invisible or non-existent because it cannot, will never be reduced to physical processes because that's impossible and incoherent.
But if you're an electron, I turn on the lights, the photon hits the electron jumps to a different state. I cannot know what the electron is doing unless I illuminate it. And if I illuminate it, it's doing something different from what it was before I illuminated it. It has nothing to do with consciousness. It has to do interacting with the object in order to make a measurement.
Saying that it's just interaction and has nothing to do with consciousness is a philosophical position dressed up as scientific fact. Because to actually make that claim, you'd have to ignore a bunch of proper physics and proper philosophy. For example, there's something called interaction-free measurements where we can detect the presence of an object without ever touching it. No interaction. It's about the possibility for interaction. Imagine that if it's possible to know the state of a system, this changes the state of affairs. No interaction. This is experimentally verified and used actively in technology today. So Tyson, if you're going to disparage philosophers and not engage properly in the subject, maybe you should just shut up and calculate.